Hello friends, I am Dr. Parimala Devi here. I am working for Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. I am here to share some information to all the young couples and the adolescent population about emergency contraception, which has been widely used since some time for our young population to prevent the unexpected pregnancy. You know that our young population is most of the time they are in their own hassles of getting into their career or settling down in different places. They usually are not ready for their pregnancy and further. So usually what they do is when they are exposed to the sexual intercourse which is not protected by contraception, they usually take the tablet, that is emergency contraception, and think that they are not going to get pregnancy and they will be very comfortable. But I want to tell few of the points about emergency contraception. The emergency contraception is a single dose of tablet which is usually taken within 72 hours of unprotected sexual intercourse. Why it should be taken within 72 hours, that is important, is the action of this emergency contraception is like this. Usually within 72 hours when it is taken, it is 90% efficacy rate is there, as it is 10% failure rate is there. If it is taken very late, then the efficacy of these drugs will fall by more and more, and there are more chances of the woman is going to get into the pregnancy which is unwanted for them for that moment. So I would like to say this contraception should be taken within 72 hours or as soon as possible when they come to know that they are exposed to unprotected sexual act. So another thing, how it is going to help them when they take it in that stipulated time is because this contraception is going to prevent the union of the sperm and the egg, which is very important getting into the pregnancy. And the second point is usually it will make the environment of the uterus, that's the endometrial lining, which is the receptive endometrium for the pregnancy, the fertilized ovum, to prevent it getting embedded on the inner layer of the uterus. From that, the pregnancy will be avoided. So these are some of the very important actions. But if by chance the pregnancy is avoided by this emergency contraception, she thinks that if she vomits after taking this tablet, then also be cautious that you have to repeat this tablet, because the action of the tablet she may not get because she has vomited immediately, because some of the women will be usually sensitive to this drug and they will vomit. So she have to repeat the drug within the 72 hours, one more dose, that is a single tablet dose. Now coming to the main the belief of many women coming and asking us, Madam, why don't we take this tablet, single tablet only? Whenever there is a exposure to the sexual act, we will have to inform them that when it is taken again and again, there are a lot of side effects they are going to face. So it should not be replaced by the cyclical pills which is approved by the Federation of Drugs and also a lot of Foxy Gynecological Societies, because when this drug is taken, then what happens is this contraception is taken again and again in place of regular contraceptive availability. Then there will be a lot of side effects on the menstruation pattern. There can be irregular menstruation, there can be spotting, or there can be heavy bleeding, or there can be prolonged periods of amenorrhea, that women not getting periods for 2 to 3 months. These are all the problems which she will be facing. And so in the long run, when she wants to get a pregnancy, there may be some side effects on the ovulation of the contraception, so that there will be no ovulation and she may not get her pregnancy when she wants it to happen to her. So these are all few of the caution a woman have to know, the couples have to know, to use this drug not regularly. As it is said, emergency contraception is something when they suddenly come to know that the method what they have used, like a condom, it is not been useful because of the sudden rupture, or she was taking regular contraceptives of 21 tablet cyclical pills, but she has missed it out because of her forgetfulness. That time the emergency contraception can be supplemented to prevent the pregnancy which is unwanted. Now I would like to bring to another important information before I end up, that is you have to be alert about this drug. When you are expecting your cycle and the period doesn't happen after taking this tablet, and you think that you are not pregnant, only your cycle is delayed, don't be under that such comfort zone, because there may be pregnancy itself which has happened because of the failure of the contraception, which you might not have followed the regular rules of the emergency contraception is one thing. Second thing, there may be pregnancy which is in the tube, we have what is called as ectopic pregnancy, that's about 10 to 12% as it is happening in our general population, which is one of the very dire emergency condition in gynecology, because the pregnancy happens in the tube and they most of the time represent themselves with a lot of heavy bleeding in the peritoneum, like a ruptured ectopic pregnancy, which requires immediate attention. Otherwise, there is a lot of high mortality rate in these ectopic pregnancies. So don't be under that thinking that accepted behavior that, oh, there is no pregnancy or something. If you have not got your cycle after using this emergency contraception in that cycle, immediately see that whether you are pregnant by meeting your gynecological expert and getting into safe zone of continuing your life. So I would like to wish you again a happy and healthy, safe life in this pandemic, and to avoid pregnancy by using regular approved contraceptive principles, then getting into your own myths of using emergency contraception again and again and getting into a lot of the gynecological problems. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay happy.